Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. Today I'm here with Mason. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. Mason's been a franchise for about 2 years now. How long you been doing irrigation, man?
Started off doing sprinklers probably 8-9 years ago, something like that, up in Kentucky. Just started off low man on the install crew and slowly work your way up and learn a thing or two, figure out what's going on, and then jumped over to a service truck after a couple years. Ran around with a guy for a good while just to show me the standard stuff of service, and once I got a pretty good grasp of service, they threw me out, ran around by myself for about 2-3 years, and got to thinking, man, I could probably do this for somebody else other than, or do this for myself as opposed to, doing this for someone. And did a little networking, just looked up online, did some research, and stumbled across Pacific on Instagram and chatted with them a little bit, set up a time where we could actually talk on the phone. That went well, and then they actually flew out to Louisville, Kentucky, where I'm from, met with me, discussed, had a whole 3-4 hour meeting, and showed me and told me basically everything that happens with Pacific, and it sounded like a good deal to me. So here we are down here in Charlotte, North Carolina, just trying our best to make it all work.
All right, cool.
It's been fun.
Cool. So you moved down. I think we even helped you a little bit with the move and the relocation and stuff, because you weren't planning on coming to Charlotte in the first place. So we helped you out.
Yeah, that is correct. They definitely helped me because I had a couple months left on maybe like one month or two left on my lease back home. Took care of that for me, helped me up, get loaded, moved, got my apartment all squared away. They gave me a list of a couple apartments to pick from that would be good in my area if I'm working. Figured out which one I would think would like the best and loaded up a U-Haul, came down here. Couldn't have done it without their help, I know that, because didn't have much starting out. So without their help, it wouldn't be possible for me to be down here.
All right, cool. Now let me ask you. We started in Charlotte. Really, there were really not many customers down here. You were kind of spearheading the whole Charlotte thing. What have you seen since? A lot of guys are scared whether they're going to have work or not, or that's a lot of guys' biggest concerns. What would you say?
I would definitely say that shouldn't necessarily be a concern just because their advertising team is top notch. They'll get you the work, there's no doubt about it. It's just spending a little bit of time down in that area running the Pacific name, and that's just the people seeing the trucks drive around. It's a mobile billboard, get a couple good reviews online, that ball gets rolling downhill and it does not stop. I'm telling you, it just picks up. My first full year was pretty good. Stayed busy. I think I had a couple slow weeks in the middle of the summer, nothing too bad though. And then over the winter I kind of shut up shop, did something else. But ever since that, I've opened back up my second season, and oh my goodness, I gotta have it. I needed a second truck yesterday. I'm so busy. It's the lack of work is not there. It's slammed, absolutely slammed. I could have 7 of these things and probably still be loaded up. So
well, that's our goal. That's our goal for you. And you're doing backflow testing too. You got your backflow
got certified in North and South Carolina. Got my North Carolina irrigation license. So yeah, we're fully licensed and ready to have some fun down here.
Cool, man. All right. Well, Mason's got, how many more you got today?
Today, I don't know, probably about 8, 9, something like that.
Mason's
got a lot.
8 or 9 more. He's running a little behind from some compressor problems. So we'll let you get back to work, and we'll get another video with you soon for your progress. But thank you, and thank you guys for watching.
Heck yeah.